Hi guys, it's Ray's Repair Zone. As you know, I got bees in my barn wall and I'm preparing to take them out. I got inspired by watching videos on YouTube, which I hope you do too. You learn quite a bit off of there. That's the reason why I've been doing this. And his name is Jim Horchkoff, I think. We call him Dr. or Mr. Ed. He inspired me to make this bee vac, so I did a bunch of research. I hope it works. And Mr. Ed, I hope you watch this. Thank you for all the information. Here is my bottom box of the bee vac. It's on an angle, so when you suck the bees in here, they can walk up the ramp and go up into your super. So what I'm going to do is kind of put it together. So this is the bottom, and you put it underneath your super that you're going to suck the bees in. I already have frames. These are going to go in the top later, but you have to have frames in there, otherwise they're not going to be they have more room when you have frames in here for them to move around. Okay, so anyway, this fits nice and snug on there. So you'll be sucking the bees in here. They'll be walking in up the ramp and into these frames. Now, I made a separator. You put that on top. What that does, it keeps the bees all in this super, right? And what I did is I found it off, I got an old camper and I just took the frame out of it, or the window screen out of it. Had a couple holes, so I just duct taped it. I don't know how much bee recovery I'm going to do, so this should work. So I made a frame that'll fit in here. So that'll keep the bees in this box. Now the top, well, it's a conglomeration of things that I was thinking of what to do, but anyway, this top, I have a seal on here, an old kerosene pail that I cut the bottom out, and I put, this is from an old vac, shop vac. I just took that out so I could attach the hose to it. So now, and what I did was I have the lid here, because I had a vacuum, an older vacuum that fits these pails, but it didn't have enough power. There was not enough suction. So anyway, I'll put this lid on. And I also have the spout here, so I can control if there's too much vacuum or not. Now, if you can see on this side, I have a shop vac. It's a 6-horse. It's got a lot of power, that one. And I'll just stuff it in the side here. So now it's creating vacuum. Now it's creating vacuum into the box, right? And this is 2.5-inch hole, 2.25-inch hole, sorry. And that fits your normal vac hose. So you turn that on, it will create vacuum in here, and you suck up the bees, and it'll keep all the bees in here. Then when you're ready to transfer them into another, like into your cutout honeycombs, well, this would be off, right? so you're still have the bees separated. You put your super on top with all your cutout honeycomb in the frames. Put your top cover on, then your telescoping cover, I guess it would be inner cover, and then you just pull this out just a little bit, and then the bees should go up into their comb. It's something I've been working on. I'm gonna try it tonight. I think I'm gonna make a video of trying to get out of the bees out of my wall. Wish me luck. And thanks again, Mr. Ed. Maybe check his channel out too. He's got a lot of information on bees. I'm just new here. This is the first time I'm dealing with bees, so hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. There'll be a lot more bee action, I'm sure. See you again.